So if you're researching disability insurance, you've probably heard about true own occupation coverage. It's also known as true own OC coverage. One of the most important things you need to do if you're looking at disability insurance is decide if you want to pursue that type of coverage. It can be really important for certain occupations. So what is true own OC disability insurance? When people talk about own occupation disability insurance, they're referring to the definition of total disability in the actual disability insurance contract. So true own occupation coverage is usually the strongest definition of disability available. With this type of coverage, you're protected if you have a medical condition that doesn't allow you to work in your current occupation. This is even if you're working in another occupation. So what that means is that own occupation coverage, your policy, with that type of coverage, your policy will pay you your disability benefit for a whole wide range of medical conditions that you might not otherwise consider as disabling medical conditions. But if you have a specialized occupation, these might be truly disabling medical conditions. So let me just give you an example. It's easier to kind of see where I'm going with this if I just give you an example. So let's say that you are a specialized, you have a specialized occupation. Let's say you are a physician assistant. A major part of your job is using your vision and your hands to assist in surgery. So your occupation as a physician assistant, you make possibly over $100,000 a year, and you're using your hands and your vision to assist in surgery. If you lost your vision in one of your eyes, would you be able to continue doing your job? Well, with vision in only one eye, you wouldn't have any depth perception, and it might be dangerous to use scalpels and medical devices during surgery. So losing vision in one eye would be truly disabling to you as a physician assistant. Now, normally, losing vision in one eye wouldn't be thought of as a permanent disability. There's plenty of people who have great lives and they only have vision in one eye. There's plenty of people that make a lot of money and they only have vision in one eye. But for a physician assistant, it would be truly devastating to lose vision in that one eye. So if a physician assistant had true own occupation disability insurance, then they would be eligible for their full disability benefit, and the insurance company wouldn't ask them to go get another job. The benefits would even continue to pay even if they went and got another job, regardless of how much money they were making. I mean, they could go become an accountant, or they could sell insurance, and they could still make money, but they would still collect their disability benefit because they were not able to be a physician assistant anymore. That's the importance of true own occupation coverage for specialized occupations. It's not as important for less specialized occupations. So we'll get into that another time. But I hope this kind of gives you a feel for how important the true own occupation definition of disability is for certain people, for certain occupations.